Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to build an AI-powered search engine using agents. Yes, real AI agents. We're going to use something called the Agent Development Kit, ADK. If you haven't heard of it before, it's a powerful framework developed by Google that lets you create intelligent agents using just a few lines of code. And the best part, you don't even need to build a front end. This works right from your CLI or web interface. Let me show you what this search engine looks like in action. I asked the agent to find documents about Google ADK, and it pulled in detailed, structured results, complete with URLs and contextual summaries. It didn't just dump a bunch of vague text like most LLMs do. Thanks to the custom agent prompt, it gave me precise, relevant info based on what I asked. Here's how it works behind the scenes. The agent uses the MCP protocol to interact with real-time web data via Bright Data. It sends structured search requests like, "Your smart web assistant. Use available tools to find summarized information from the web." Then it fetches pages, follows pagination, and checks 30 to 40 quality criteria before returning clean, usable results. Once the data is fetched, it even makes function calls to retrieve specific content like the Google ADK documentation, parses the data, and presents it in a neat document. Now, let's look at the agent configuration. You can spin up agents with just a few lines of code. I've defined mine as the Google Search Assistant using the Flash model and connected it to Bright Data's MCP web search tool. And boom, within seconds, I had a fully functional search engine powered by an intelligent agent. It's fast, scalable, and customizable. But here's the really cool part. When you're building agents, you need to think about agent evolution metrics, how decisions are made, how the LLM is responding, how accurate the results are, and how fast it performs. An agent isn't just about finding things, it's about providing authentic, verified, and reliable information. Now, let's talk about Bright Data, aka WebBright, the backbone for our search capabilities. If you've ever struggled with messy web scraping tools, Bright Data solves that. It provides a robust data collection platform with built-in support for MCP servers. You can create your own data collection drones, leverage AI scraping plus browsing, add your APIs, get clean, structured data, fast. They support pagination, multi-surface search, maps, Google Play, etc., and return deep, detailed results. All you need is an API key and zone config. Once that's set, you're ready to go. It's that simple. Now I've run the code, and in just a few seconds, I've got a working AI search engine. Alright, so I've just run the command to spin up the Google ADK web environment. It's live and running now. To get this working, you'll need to set up your environment with a few key credentials. Your Google API keys, access to webdataAPI.com, and the drone configuration for Bright Data. Don't worry, it's simple. Here's how to set it up. Log in to Bright Data. Create a zone. I'll walk you through it if you get stuck. Once you log in, you'll get access to the full proxy infrastructure. You can even authenticate via Google, Amazon, Facebook, and more. Hammer and wrench, what I did. I created a zone named Pass1 with direct access and selected Web Plus Local API as my scraping solution. This option automates scraping from hard-to-access sites using credentialed proxies, captcha solvers, and full rendering. You simply go in, define your zone name, and start using the service. It's pay-as-you-go, about 1.5 credits per API call, and once your zone and API key are ready, drop those into your .env file, and boom, you're live. Let's see it in action. I asked the agent, "Tell me more about Google ADK." It immediately came back with a follow-up, "What exactly are you looking for?" That's real-time agent intelligence kicking in. So I clarified with, "Go search and brief about Google ADK." And just like that, it started pulling results. The agent fetched web pages, parsed through search terms like Google ADK, open source agent frameworks, and more. It even returned a list of relevant URLs. Now that's a real-time, smart search engine in action. What's impressive is how interactive and iterative the agent is. If it's unclear about something, it asks again. If it needs context, it fetches it. It doesn't just dump info, it thinks and asks back. It's not limited to websites either. It scrapes results from Instagram, Twitter, other content sources tied to your search. Now, let's touch on evolution metrics again. These are vital. Good agents aren't just fast, they're accurate, context-aware, transparent in their decision-making, and able to track how well they're doing over time. I also tried prompting it with, "How many agents can I build using Google ADK?" And yeah, it struggled a bit, because that's a complex query requiring multiple data checks. It hit Bright Data's cache, tried retrieving results, but didn't give an exact number. That's expected, and it highlights the importance of clear, precise prompting. All the code you've seen today is available on my GitHub. I'm making it public so you can clone it, follow along, and start building your own AI-powered search agents. I'll drop the GitHub link in the description below. That's it for this demo. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share your questions. I'd love to support your builds. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.